Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the watch and taking the first action. Make sure it's off the charger and unlocked so commands register. Press and hold the side button, not the digital crown, for about 2 seconds until the power menu appears. This is the direct control Apple provides for shutdown. Once the menu shows, you'll see power off, medical ID, and emergency SOS options. Tap and hold power off or drag it, depending on your watch OS version, to start the shutdown. Once the power menu is visible, focus on the correct gesture. Some models show sliders that you drag across. Others require you to press and hold the power off button until the screen goes black. Dragging or holding sends the shutdown signal to the operating system so it can close apps and save state safely. Make sure the display turns completely black and no charging symbol or spinning wheel remains. If it does, repeat the hold gesture to ensure a full power down. To finish, confirm the watch is off by pressing the side button briefly. If nothing happens, you're done. If you need to power it back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If the watch won't respond to normal shutdown, force restart by holding both the side button and digital crown for about 10 seconds. Only use that if unresponsive, because it skips normal shutdown routines. If problems persist, charge the watch for 15 minutes, then retry these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.